Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Janes. I was gonna record a book for you, so if you would like to listen to this story that is actually nonfiction about sound, here we go. This is called Loud, Soft, High, and Low Sound, and it's written by Natalie R. Rosinsky. How are sounds made? A baseball smacks against a wooden bat. Thwack. Raindrops tap against your window. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. How are sounds made? Tap a musical triangle. You can see it shake. As the triangle vibrates, it makes sound. Sound is made from vibrating things. Fun fact, when you talk, the vocal cords inside your throat vibrate. Place your hands firmly on the middle of your throat. Now hum. Do you feel your vocal cords flutter? Throw a pebble into a pond. Watch how the ripples move away from the splash. Sound moves in waves like ripples in the pond. Sound waves move in all directions, from a baseball bat, a raindrop, or anything else that makes sound. The waves travel through the air to your ears, but you can't see them. Sound waves are invisible. Fun fact, sound waves travel through the water too. Whales and dolphins hear sound waves in the ocean. What makes an echo? Getting out of the picture here. There we go. Stand inside a big empty room. Now, shout your name. It sounds as if someone is saying your name back to you. You have made an echo. Echoes are made when sound waves bounce off big, hard things like walls or mountains. When the sound bounces back to you, you hear it again. Fun fact, bats use echoes to find their way through dark caves. As the bats fly about, they make squeaky sounds. They listen for echoes to tell them where the cave walls are. Why are some sounds loud and others soft? If you throw a pebble hard in the water, it makes big waves that travel far. When you bang a drum hard, the drum booms loudly. It makes big sound waves that travel far. If you tap the drum lightly, it rumbles softly. The sound waves are smaller and do not go as far. Be careful. Loud sounds from music or noisy machines can hurt your ears. Sometimes the sound is loud because you're close to it. A whisper can be loud and clear if your friend is standing next to you. The roar of an airplane sounds soft when it's far up in the sky. Loud sounds are sometimes helpful. Alarm clocks buzz and wake us up. Sirens yell when danger is near. You can make a sound seem louder or softer. Put your hands over your ears and a sound seems softer. Cup your hands around your ears and you can catch more sound waves. The sounds seem louder. People sometimes say, turn down the volume. That means they want the sound softened. Volume is another word for loudness. Fun fact, builders think about sound when they plan buildings. Some places like libraries and hospitals are made to be quiet. Other places like concert halls are built so sound reflects. Why are some sounds high and others low? Pluck the thinnest, tightest string on a guitar. You can see it vibrate very quickly. Listen to the sound it makes. Things that vibrate quickly make high-pitched sounds. The thickest string on a guitar vibrates more slowly. It makes a low-pitched sound. Fun fact, some sounds are too high for people to hear. A dog can hear high noises that seem like silence to us. Now you know all about sound. Loud, soft, high, and low. What sounds can you make? What's the highest sound you've ever heard? What's the lowest? What are the loudest and the softest sounds you can think of? These other pages have experiments that you can do. So if you want to take a look. There are also some other interesting facts about sound. And then the glossary. Glossary says that the eardrum is a thin layer of skin inside the ear that vibrates when sound waves hit it. An echo is a sound that's repeated. Echoes are made when sound waves bounce off big, hard things and come back to you. Pitch, how high or low a sound is. Vibrate, a small but quick movement back and forth. Vibrations make sounds. Vocal cords, the part of a person or animal's throat that vibrates to make sound. Vocal cords let people talk. Volume, how loud or soft or quiet a sound is.